Welcome to the new episode. In this part, we're going to focus on changing the colors of the buttons. Let's get started with the tutorial. These lines create two color variables, green and red, that are private but can be set from the inspector to show correct and wrong answers. This is a coroutine called Wait for Next Question. A coroutine in Unity allows us to pause or delay actions without freezing the game. Inside this coroutine, we use yield return new wait for seconds, 0.5f, which makes the game wait for half a second before continuing. This is useful, for example, to give the player a short moment to see if their answer was correct before moving to the next question. Now, let's move the check question function call from the check answer function to the new function we created. This line changes the color of the clicked answer button to green, usually to show that it was correct. Now, copy the same line of code for when a wrong answer is given, and change the color from green to red. This line starts the coroutine wait for next question, adding a short delay before moving to the next question. This line resets the clicked button's color back to white, making it look normal again. And below the coroutine, we reset the timer to 10 again. Save the script and go back to Unity. Now, set the green and red colors, and don't forget to set the alpha to full at the end. Run the game. And as you can see, if we select the correct answer, the button color changes to green, and if we choose the wrong answer, it changes to red. It also waits for half a second before displaying the next question. Alright, this part is also finished easily, and we're glad you followed along with us. See you in the next episode.